Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Now today we're in the beautiful city of Bad Kreuznach.
Sowas brauchst du, Schatzi.
Bad Kreuznach is famous for its Brückenhäuser, the bridge houses that is exactly behind me. Upon research about these bridge houses, I found out during the war that lasted approximately 30 years, the Swedish army fired a cannon upon one of these bridge houses, and the ball from the cannon is remaining there until this day. So my father-in-law, he grew up here, born and raised, and his grandparents and his dad's side owned a liquor store a lot of years back, but now that store is not there anymore. Now it's a supermarket parking space, so you guys won't get to see that. Yes people, so here we have the Salinental. Salinental is located between Bad Kreuznach and Bad Münster. Anyway guys, yes, I'm at the Salinental, still in Bad Kreuznach. Salt water is coming from under the earth and they build this man-made structure around it. Inside of it looking like tree branches, I don't know if it's tree branches. Actually on the outside is looking like kind of like corals, no? They say it's salty, but you know I'm gonna have to test that. I'm gonna taste it. So salty. I think we can go on the other side, so I'm going to find out some more information about this and give you all some more info on what this place really is and the purpose of it. So, forward. It is considered the world's largest open-air inhaler. The extensive parks and its beautiful river landscape do their parts for our overall picture. Peace, relaxation and good air is guaranteed. So viewers, my personal opinion, this is a little bit weird because you know I'm really used to the sea and all that stuff. No, it tastes actually the same as our salt water, just a little bit more weird. Anyway, unfortunately we didn't get to visit radon therapy in the mountain tunnel. Radon therapy has proven itself as a natural remedy for pain in Europe. Bad Kreuznach created the first tunnel in the world that is used for therapy. They are comparable institutions located in Austria, Russia and South America. The air in the radon tunnel contains a low concentration of the radioactive gas, radon. The therapy has been used since 1912. It is mostly used as a pain therapy for rheumatic diseases. It is more favorable for the elderly and people with unstabilized circulation. Radon comes from the metal radium, which is contained in the rock's massif. In the year 1911, the Bad Kreuznach pharmacist Dr. Karl Aschoff discovered the radioactive radiation in a disused mine tunnel on the edge of the Spa area. Out of all my tours in Germany, Bad Kreuznach, it's number one for me when it comes to landscape. So there's not a lot to see, but it's super beautiful here. The landscape is perfect. Here we have these Slalom, these red and green poles. The race would normally start from here. Yeah? And it continues down this bumpy river, you know, so it's good. Yeah guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.